But guess what? Moses was gone. Went up to the mountain and never came back. Now the people said, oh God. They realized the very thing I depended on is gone. What in the world are we going to do right now? Because there is a promised land, God, but the man that was supposed to take us to the promised land is gone. What do you do when your Moses died? Now, everybody had a Moses in their life at one time or another. Your Moses could have been your job. Your Moses could have been your car. Lord have mercy, your Moses could have even been your parents. The thing that you depended on and you felt like if I don't have it, I can't live. If I don't have it, I won't be able to go on. If I don't have it, I won't be able to survive. What do you do when your Moses dies right in your face? Hear the people cry. My God, they cried for years. They cried for days. Lord, they cried for 30 days. But God said, now, wait a minute. And you've got to understand, God always got somebody else. Now, if he made you a promise and your Moses died, you ain't got to worry about it. God said, I'm going to raise somebody up that's going to take you to your destiny. I'm going to raise somebody up that's going to be there to help you make it. I know you feel like you can't go by yourself. I know you feel like you can't stand. But God said, I got somebody. Here, now, Moses was now dead. The people cried for 30 days. But God said, now, wait a minute. It's time for y'all to stop crying. It's time for y'all to stop weeping. Your weeping days now are over. You've got to understand that I've got somebody. Now I call the title of this message, Turn the Page. For Deuteronomy, the 34th chapter, is the ending of the Pentateuch. Oh my God. It's the closing, oh my God, of a section of books in the Bible.